This video covers some special tools used for working on kayaks and a safety note on personal protection working in the shop. The tools we'll look at are a tricky little wrench you can make yourself and a useful tool for a lot of things, the awl. When doing many jobs around the shop, be sure and protect yourself. Wear good eye protection, protective clothing, gloves, and a respirator whenever needed. Work safely and don't get hurt. For removing seat bolts, a small ratchet and a 7/16 inch socket will work, or you can make what I call the tech wrench. It's a heavy offset 3/8 and 7/16 inch box wrench simply cut in half. This works great for getting up inside the seat to get at the nylon lock nuts. A machinist's awl, or a sharpened old screwdriver, is an invaluable tool for aligning decks, seats, and straps. A standard number 2 Phillips head screwdriver will also work for alignment. Hopefully this tool and safety primer will help you feel more comfortable working on your boat.